Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to try a Dutch pour, but I'm going to make, this is a 16 by 20 grade canvas, and I am going to be using mostly Master Touch colors. And it's going to be more than one. I'm going to make more than one Dutch pour. So we're going to start with this blue right here that it's already been pre-made. I'm going to start it. Let's see, this is super thick. Let's put it right here. This. And then here. And here. I'm hoping I can get this to turn out the way I want, but it never comes out the way you want, does it? Well, it's sort of an experiment to do more than one. So, that's a start with our blue. And now I'm going to do with the red. This is Master's Touch Crimson. I'll put it right here, and here, and here, and here. And then I'm gonna go with the violet. Which is really good right next to the red and blue because it makes purple anyway. So, let's see what we got. Just like that. And then I'm gonna go. Got a lot of colors I want to put on there. We'll find out. Might be too many. But they light magenta right here. And here. Like I said, they're all Master's Touch. They are mixed with Floetrol glue all and silicone or Dimethicone. Now I'm going to do the rouge here and here and here. Now that's probably going to be it, except for I want to shoot a little bit of this yellow right at the bottom where the blue is. This is actually gold mica. Hopefully this is pretty when we get it done. Thank you for joining me. God bless, be safe, and be happy. See you soon. Bye-bye.